Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am in the parking lot of Restaurant Depot. I'm picking up the ingredients for an event that I'm doing with the Cabin in Lake Norman in Davison, North Carolina. We're going to be hooking up some smoked chicken, cheeseburgers, corn on the cob, baked beans, and that's it. So this is a new service we're adding to our repertoire of service offerings. We've done a few of these in the past. We're probably going to do more in the future, but check this out and see if we know how to brew strong and feed well. Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am here at the Cabin at Lake Norman, back there behind me. Before I get too busy, I wanted to shout out this event. They have vendors here. They have free boat rides going on. They have, obviously, the bar, the Cabin, or the Cabin at Lake Norman here in Davison, North Carolina. And Brew and Feed is going to be catering the food. You see the band setting up over there in the corner, and there's some of the band members right there coming down. And yeah, so we're gonna be cooking up the food, and we're doing barbecue chicken, cheeseburgers, baked beans, and corn on the cob. Oh, and check out this view. There's a pier right here with all the boats. So when you come here, there's a boat club next door. There's our grill, and we're going to help these folks feed well. Brew strong and feed well. All right, the event is done. That's a lot of work. Burger service. I still need to work on my burger service. The folks were just lined up, burger after burger after burger after burger, and this grill has a small flat top on it. That's really good because you're cooking burgers and you're smoking them. But I need to work on the burger service part. Other than that, the event was great. We went through a lot more food faster than we did last year, so that's a good thing. A lot of folks from last year came back and said they enjoyed the food, and that's why they came back, or one of the reasons why they came back, and everybody loved the food. So that's it. If you're looking for a catering service in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, look up Brew and Feed. Brew strong and feed well.